Hi there, students. Hegira, or Hijira as well. Okay, this is a very apt word for today. This is people who are journeying to escape from danger. An exodus, people leaving a country to go and find somewhere else safe to live. So I think you find there is this Hegira of people coming from Latin America northwards to the United States, or the Hegira of people coming across from Africa to Europe in order to live in safety and in good economic conditions. So a Hegira, it's a journey taken to escape from danger. Yeah, it's people leaving their country, leaving where they live, and going and looking for somewhere else to live. So, for example, I think at the moment there is definitely a Hegira from Venezuela. People are very worried about living there. It's perhaps a difficult country to live in. So a Hegira is a journey by a large group of people to escape a hostile environment, to escape hostility, to find somewhere safe where they can live. Now notice that would be Hegira with a small h. The Hegira with a capital H is when Muhammad, praise his name, left from Mecca to move to Medina in the year 622. And it's quite interesting because this is the point from which the Arab world counts time. So this is the year 0. This is when time begins. So this is the idea. The prophet, hallowed be his name, moves from Mecca to Medina. Okay, so a Hegira, a journey taken to escape from danger, an exodus. I think the world we are living is full of Hijiras. There are Hijiras all over the place because there are many countries where it can be very difficult or dangerous to live, and it is the logical thing to flee. I'm thinking about the end of the Spanish Civil War, and there was a massive Hegira of people of the left, particularly to France, or they tried to get into Portugal as well. It's people running away from danger, and this is a very logical thing for people to do. Okay, so I think if it's with a capital H, it's talking about Muhammad, and if it's with a small h, it's talking about an exodus, people leaving, migration. And I think we are in a world at the moment where there are massive migrations. People are always moving away from danger. Yeah, they're escaping from dangerous and unpleasant situations. I don't blame them at all. Okay, so formality. This is one of these words that, again, most native speakers are not going to know. I think I'm going to give it an 8.5 in formality, used in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, definitely, or something formal, definitely as well. And as to origin, this comes directly from Arabic, Hegira, exodus, emigration, the leaving of people. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hegira.